What's up people and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna unbox the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition. So without wasting a second, let's begin. So firstly, on the box itself, we have base boost, 17 hours of battery life, water resistant and sweat resistant, charge for 10 minutes, enjoy for 10 hours as we all know, clear and stable calls and magnetic control. All these are the basic features, and the pricing over here is 1190 rupees is the MRP. In the box, we get the earphones itself, then we get an accessories box. We have a charging cable, user guide, ear tips, a Red Cable Club membership card. Speaking about the earphones, this is how it looks. It's all blue in color. You can see two microphones, probably for ventilation. The wiring has a minute texture, which I feel is a copy from the Realme neckband. You can see a decent LED indicator, volume up, pause, and volume down button. And on the back, you can see a tiny hole, which is the microphone. Both the sides are made from metal, and the neckband itself. It feels kind of rough at first, but on use, it would smooth out. That's all for today guys. In this video, I unboxed the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition. So if you like this video, please like, share, and if you're new to this channel, do subscribe and enable those notifications. I'll see you next time on this video. You just saw the Vishnu show. Bye bye.
Duh.